guys, it's Keith here. So what happens if there's a ground fault on the fire alarm control panel? So, the ground fault, it means something like the batteries are bad or something, or the plug or something, or the green wire. The green wire is probably it. So I'm going to plug in the panel and see what happens. So you're going to hear beeping from the panel, the trouble light, and the ground fault. So here we go. Yep, it says Siemens fire alarm control panel because the Siemens FC901. Fire safe. That's the name of it. CLC is restarting. So the trouble light and ground fault are going to come on. The ground fault will come on later. I'm going to let the cat out. Gotta acknowledge the trouble. So it has a NAC 1 and NAC 2 open, and pulsation, secondary power battery absent, and pulsation 2 trouble. So I'm going to leave it on for probably about a week so the battery can charge. I have 6 troubles. The ground fault may come on later. I'm not going to pull the pull station and set off the fire alarm because that'll scare the cat. So the ground fault hasn't come on so far. So I'm going to leave it on and let the batteries charge. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications when I post brand new videos on YouTube.